Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're taking a deep dive into the top 5 best overhead camera mounts available right now. Whether you're a content creator, a YouTuber, or just looking to improve your overhead shots for cooking, crafting, or vlogging, this list has something for everyone. I've done all the research to give you the detailed breakdown you need. So let's get started. At number 5, we have the Kamajojo Trail Camera Mount Bracket. While this product is primarily designed for outdoor trail cameras, its versatile 360 degrees horizontal and 90 degrees vertical adjustability makes it suitable for indoor use in certain overhead camera setups. The build quality is solid, made from water-resistant plastic that can withstand extreme temperatures, so you know it's built to last. It has a maximum weight capacity of 3 kilograms, which is more than enough for lightweight cameras and accessories. This mount is simple to install, whether you're attaching it to a wall or using the included strap for tree mounting. Its compatibility with devices that have a 1/4 inch threaded insert means it can support not just trail cameras, but also smaller webcams and lightweight DSLRs. However, its primary design focus on trail cameras limits its versatility compared to other options on this list. This is not going to be your go-to for desk setups or professional studio work. The Kamajojo mount is ideal for those who need a rugged, outdoor-friendly option that can double as a lightweight overhead mount in a pinch. However, it lacks some of the flexibility and adjustability needed for complex indoor setups. Pros include its durability, weather resistance, and ease of installation. Cons: it's not the most versatile or aesthetically pleasing option for indoor use. Still, if you're on a budget and need something functional for lightweight setups, this could work. Coming in at number 4, we have the Jebutu Overhead Camera Mount Desk Stand. This mount offers an entry-level solution for those looking to set up a compact and lightweight overhead rig. The design features a C-clamp that opens up to 1.77 inches, allowing you to securely attach it to a desk. The holding arm extends up to 13 inches, and it's equipped with a 360 degrees ball head for precise angle adjustments. The Jebutu mount is made from a combination of steel and ABS plastic, which results in a lightweight build. However, the maximum load capacity is only 0.5 kilograms, so it's best suited for smartphones, webcams, and other lightweight devices. This is not the mount for heavy DSLRs or cameras with bulky lenses. While the adjustability is decent, the overall build feels a bit less sturdy compared to some of the higher-end options on this list. This mount is ideal for those who are just starting out with overhead setups, whether it's for live streaming, online classes, or casual content creation. Pros include its lightweight design, versatility for smartphones, and affordable pricing. The cons are the limited weight capacity and slightly less durable build. Overall, it's a great beginner-friendly option for lighter applications. Taking the third spot is the DSLR Overhead Camera Mount Desk Stand. This mount is designed for creators who need maximum flexibility, thanks to its 3-section articulating arm. Each section can be adjusted 180 degrees, and the 360 degrees ball head allows for precise positioning at virtually any angle. It's compatible with a wide range of devices, including DSLRs, webcams, microphones, and lights, making it one of the most versatile options on this list. The DSLR mount is constructed from high-end aluminum alloy, which gives it excellent durability and stability. It can support up to 6 pounds when suspended, making it suitable for larger setups. The padded desk clamp prevents scratches and keeps the mount securely in place during use. Setup is straightforward, and the detachable design makes it easy to transport if needed. This mount is perfect for professionals who require a sturdy, flexible setup for YouTube videos, live streaming, or vlogging. Pros include its robust build quality, high load capacity, and exceptional flexibility. Cons: it does take up a bit more desk space, and it's not the most compact option. Overall, it's a fantastic choice for those who need a versatile and reliable mount. In the runner-up position, we have the Poslive Overhead Camera Mount with ring light. This product is a fantastic choice for anyone looking to combine lighting and mounting into one compact solution. The 6-inch dimmable ring light features 3 color modes and 10 brightness levels, ensuring you get the perfect lighting for your videos or photos. The USB-powered design makes it convenient to use, whether you're at your desk or on the go. The flexible articulating arm and 360-degree rotation capabilities allow for a wide range of angles. However, the maximum load capacity is 3 pounds, so it's best suited for smartphones, webcams, or lightweight cameras. No DSLRs here. The mount includes a C-clamp that fits desks up to 2 inches thick, and an additional flexible clip arm provides even more versatility for your setup. The positive mount is ideal for YouTubers, content creators, or hobbyists who need an all-in-one lighting and mounting solution. Pros include its integrated ring light, excellent adjustability, and lightweight design. The main drawback is the limited weight capacity and smaller ring light compared to larger setups. Still, it's a solid choice for casual and semi-professional use. Finally, at number 1, we have the UB-size 10-inch ring light with overhead phone mount. This product offers the perfect balance of lighting, adjustability, and build quality, making it the ultimate choice for content creators. The 10-inch ring light features 3 color modes: cool white, warm, and daylight, each with 10 brightness levels. That's 30 customizable lighting options to ensure you look your best in every shot. A cantilever stand and phone clamp are highly adjustable, allowing you to set up the perfect angle in seconds. The C-clamp design saves desk space and provides a stable, secure mount. Constructed from durable metal with double springs for added stability, this mount can handle a wide range of devices, from smartphones to webcams. Plus, it comes with a Bluetooth remote for added convenience. The UB-size mount is ideal for anyone from beginner YouTubers to seasoned vloggers who need a reliable, professional-grade setup. Pros include its impressive lighting options, sturdy build, and user-friendly design. The only con is that it might be overkill for those who don't need advanced lighting features. For $33.29, this is hands down the best overhead camera mount on the market right now. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you found this video helpful in finding the perfect overhead camera mount for your needs. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment below with your thoughts, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more reviews like this. If you have any questions about these products, feel free to ask in the comments, and I'll get back to you. See you in the next one.